Hi new teachers, welcome to the new school year. My name is Allison Stetter and I am your ITC here. Now I was very upset whenever I learned that I wasn't going to be able to be with you, greet you today and introduce myself, so I made this video to do that for me. So first of all, an ITC is an instructional technology coach. So my job is to help you with technology. Now that can be fairly basic as far as using Synergy or PowerSchool, helping you out with your Outlook problem, something like that. But more importantly, I can help you integrate technology into your lesson. And that's the much more enjoyable part of my job. Because there are many applications available today that are super easy to use and can help you reach many goals in your classroom. So as you work with your content supervisors, your content teams in the coming days, I want you to think about ways that technology could be used in your lessons. One of those I wanted to show you today. It's an application that I love and have used with students on many occasions, and that is called Plickers. And so we all have multiple choice questions that we need to go over in our classroom, whether that's in preparation for a test or maybe just some high-level kind of rigorous questions that you have the students to do. Maybe you have questions where there are multiple answers that could be chosen. And so Plickers is a way to review some of those questions, which will engage the students, but then also allow you to collect data on how the students perform so that you can use that to inform your instruction as you go down the line. And so how it works is you print out these little Plicker cards, and they look like this. On the outside of the cards there are letters A, B, C, and D around the outside, and so then students, after they've answered a particular question, they turn the card so that they are putting the answer choice that they have made at the top. And so then the teacher, using their cell phone and an app that they've downloaded, will actually scan the room. And as they're scanning the room, it's picking up the codes that the students have chosen, and it allows the computer to gather that information. Now, why is this engaging to the students? Because as you're doing this, you have on the smartboard what's called the live view of Plickers. And so first of all, it allows the students to see that their answer choice has been recorded. And then, once you've recorded everyone's answer, you can analyze the results of the question. And so it will actually show them a little bar graph of what letter choices were made. And so you can use that to have a conversation about which answer choices were chosen and why. And you can make some good discussions about which answer choices that were wrong were chosen and that kind of thing. So it's very helpful in the moment to have a discussion about the answer choices and what the students are thinking. It's also then good as a teacher, you can then review that information after you've gone over the 8 questions, let's say, that were on the problems, the worksheet that you had for them. You can make some decisions then based on their results of how you need to continue your instruction for the next class. What's super easy about this is that you can actually use this in a paper form, or you can have the questions presented on the smartboard, and it takes just a few minutes to set up the answers so that you can then engage your students in this activity. So as you're meeting with your content supervisors, think about ways that technology could help you. If you have a concept that's particularly difficult or a concept that might be particularly dull for a student, how can technology make that more exciting or more engaging for the students, all the while perhaps collecting some data that you can use to inform your instruction further. So I look forward to meeting you in person, and I look forward to a great year helping you integrate technology into your lesson.